Okay, I'm outside. I kind of got a late start today. I'm gonna put some padding up on this metal just for some sound deadening. If somebody is spending a lot of money on a car to restore it, they would definitely want to have that all restored. All right, here is the top piece all in. Insulation, a tiny bit better. I got the bows kind of set in the position that I want. You can see I kind of folded the front over. I'm gonna set that in more permanently in my next step. I got tape and some masking stuff here because I was thinking I might need to use contact cement, but I was lucky enough to be able to use my acrylic tape to hold it in place and then use the moldings to hold everything in. And then in the front there's gonna be a molding that goes around here too. And then back here, I just put a thing of tape along the strip here, and I'm just cutting it about 3/4 of the way through this rubber, and then I'm tucking it under the rubber. So everything's going really well. I got some hardware going. I got the holes in for the headliner visors. Okay, I'm about done. I was able to get the back tucked in. There's a plastic piece right here that I was able to get on. It's looking really slick. Obviously I got the visors on. Okay, so this is my next part of the project here. So yeah, we got some problems here. I gotta budget this to 2 hours. Deteriorating panel board. Quite wavy too. I'm not happy about that. That's dumb. I don't have enough time and labor to change it all out. And then I also have to make little panels for the B-pillar that goes up there in the back by the headrest. And I have the back template material set on, and we'll be able to make a line and a template, and then I'll go into the sewing studio, bind it up, pop it in. But I'm gonna straighten up these lines. I kind of have them wiggling because it was just setting in the awkward back seat. My next step is I'm gonna use this red marker to clear it up a little bit and straighten everything up. And then once I cut that up, we're gonna make binding for the carpet, sew it on. So I'm gonna try to just do the high points and create a nice straight line. Oh, that looks great. Okay, feeling okay about this. Just finishing up now. You might be able to see I got the back glued in. Kind of looks a little wrinkly on camera, but off camera it looks a lot less winky. Stuck pretty decent to the cardboard. Pretty happy with it. And then I can still scheme out that third area or whatever, but I think it's looking pretty good. And then I also made these little side corner covers